Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing a Topbox unboxing. I am super pumped. Last month was good. It was a really good box and I was really impressed. This month there is a beauty surprise for the extra $10 and I did get it, so I'm super excited to see what it is. Hopefully it's something good. Fingers crossed. But if you're new here and you don't know what Topbox is a Canadian monthly subscription box and it is mostly beauty. You just get skincare and beauty products. Sometimes you get little samples of perfume, and we got samples of vitamins one time, so that was nice. I like those vitamins. Actually, I ended up buying like a bunch more in the line. It was the only ones. Anyway, I love them. But here is what the box looks like. Got a little bit dented. It's a little bit heavy. It's got some weight, guys. I'm really excited to get into this. Okay, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. I am intrigued with this burlap thing right here. I love everything burlap. And I'm in love with this bag. Okay, so let's open it. If I can get the bag open. I'll definitely be keeping this burlap bag, that's for sure. Love these. Okay, what do we have? We have, oh, this is the beauty surprise. What is this? Oh! I think I seen a spoiler for this. This is, I think it's called Jubel Oils Aromatherapy on the Go. This one is called Perfect Balance. And then we have another one. Oh, they're just both the same, I think. Yeah. Oh, we got two of the same ones? I believe so. They look both the same. I'm not sad about that though, because I love essential oils. It's just got a nice roller ball. I love these. I buy, oh my god, that smells so good. Oh, I don't even know what oils are in this, but it says roll onto temples and inner wrist and breathe, feel it. I'm not sure what's in this essential oils, but this smells amazing. So I am super excited. That is a pretty amazing beauty surprise. So like, I'm not complaining. I even love the burlap bag more than I love the oils almost, but I'm super excited to have these. Super awesome. All right, let's go on into what's actually in the box. First thing I see is a perfume sample. Oh, it's a complimentary sample, so it's not even one of our items. And it's from Valentino, and it's Born in Roma, Yellow Dream. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Oh, that's definitely a sample I'm going to keep for myself. A floral lift of 1,000 rose petals twisted with a new, clean, and fresh addiction. Yes. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to smell it because we got the aromatherapy oils on me, but I can. It smells amazing. So thank you, Topbox. Got it each for the amazing sample. Oh, look at that. We've got another one. This one was Donna. This one is Uma. Same thing. From Valentino. Sorry, I'll show you. Let it actually focus. I know I'm really bad for that. I apologize. Is this one for men, maybe? An oriental fresh fragrance built around a crunchy gingerbread accord. Let's see if we can. We smelled so many things already. Let's see if we can smell this one. It's nice. I think I like it. I can't tell. It's got like a mix of yes and no to it. But that's sweet. Another complimentary sample of perfumes. I am never sad to get these because, woo, as it falls out, they last forever. Especially if you have a bunch of them. Now it's gone over there. I'll get it after. Alright, so I guess let's move on to the items in the bag. First thing I see is Mirabella. I'm not sure if I've heard of this brand. And it is Wipe Out 30 Makeup Removing Wipes. These are always handy to have. I might actually leave these in here to use for around this office. Move on to the next item. Oh man. Can you guess? Can you guess what I'm holding? What product or what brand name it is? I mean, we complain about it a lot. It's Manna Kadar Bejeweled Volumizing Mascara. I like the tube. It's pretty. I have so many mascaras. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not even gonna open it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's pretty tube. Why do we always have to get Manna Kadar? It's giving me a headache thinking about it. Oh my goodness. Or maybe that's just all the perfumes. Because it smells. Oh, it smells in here. Okay, anyway. Manna Kadar mascara. What do we got here? Measurable difference, not distance. Sheer volumizing, or sheer moisturizing. Sorry, I'm getting a headache. Holy, I can't even think now. All that make sure it smells in here. Sheer moisturizing lipstick. I believe that's in a purple color, so I am not going to open it because that is not my shade. I did see a spoiler. I'm kind of sad. I wish I would have got something that was more my shade, so I could try it because I've never heard of this brand. If you have and know anything about it, let me know in the comments. But I'm just going to save this for somebody else because it's not my color. Alright, last product in this crazy box is from Medusa's Makeup Eye Dust in Pennywise. It's like a metallic-y color. Focus, this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from Medusa's Makeup before. I did get that lipstick, but that, like I said, that wasn't my color either, so I did save that for somebody else. So I'm kind of excited to try an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Anyway, I'm excited to have it, and we'll test this. I'll test this out eventually. It's really pretty when I'm really pigmented. It feels nice. That's insane. Now it's everywhere. Hold on. Okay, I got it all cleaned up, but that is a gorgeous color. I'm super excited for it. It's not a bad box. I've never heard of Mirabella, but I'm excited to use these. I mean, I have any wipes. I usually use baby wipes around here, but some makeup wipes would be nice for the office. And then the 2 samples. And the gorgeous lipstick. It's not my color. Of course, we have to get an item we don't like. I mean, it is what it is. And then our beauty surprise, which was absolutely amazing. I'm going to put one away. I'm not going to open it, but this one, yeah. I'm super excited to have it. I get like almost like a peppery scent in there, I think. Or if I'm just smelling peppers because I changed out the pepper jar earlier. I don't know. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.